Honorable Speaker, I wish to present to you the MP-elect for Juja constituency, George Koimburi.
Very well.
Christian.
On this Bible, your right hand. You swear in English or Swahili? English.
George Koimburi, having been elected a member of a National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Father Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Oimeke Robert Pavel Obuesto.